Hey, Donna, look at you. Look at this little girl. She's really young and cute. So this is your second bird today, and I think you got real fortunate on both of these. What a lucky person you are. That first one has all those interesting color variations, the 4 colors, 5 colors on one bird. You're so cutie. You're the cute cutie kapazootie. You're cutie pazootie. Let's go up to church. Let's go to church. Yeah. There's the steeple. You're the cutest. So Donna, you have, in 15 months or so, yeah, they should be at an age where they could breed if you wanted to, or you could just keep them as pets.